بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم. Does the Imam think about me? Is he concerned with my affairs? Does he care about what I'm going through? Questions that from time to time people find themselves asking. And the answer is found in a tradition in which by a man by the name of Al-Hasan ibn al-Juham comes to al-Imam Musa ibn Jaafar alayhi salam, and he says to the Imam, I'd like you to pray for me. So the Imam says to him, do you not think that I pray for you? So he says, I thought to myself, well, he is my Imam and he's my guardian, so surely he prays for me. So he said to the Imam, yes, I'm sure you do. So the Imam then gave him a key with which to unlock those questions that I began this segment with. The Imam said to him, listen, if you wish to know what you represent to me, you should look into your heart and see what I represent to you. In other words, if you think about your Imam, if you're concerned about his well-being, if you occupy your life with how the Imam is doing, whether he's pleased with you, whether you've fulfilled your obligations towards him, then you should know that the Imam thinks of you as well. My dear brothers and sisters, is that how we think of our Imam? Does he occupy a significant portion of our thoughts, our actions, our lives? Or is it something entirely different? The more we think of the Imam, the more he thinks about us. He will reciprocate gestures of goodwill. In fact, he will multiply and amplify them. And it will get to a point where a man by the name of Amr ibn Ishaq comes to Amir al-Mu'mineen alayhi salam, and the Imam saw that he didn't look well. So he said to him, what is wrong? Are you sick? Are you ill? So he said to the Imam that I've been sick for the last few days or so. So the Imam responded by saying these incredible words. He said to him, Ya Amr, inna lanafrahu li farahikum wa nahzanu li huznikum. Indeed, we rejoice when you're happy, and we grieve when you're sad. Wa namradu li maradikum. When you are sick, we fall sick as well. And when we pray for you, and when you pray for yourselves, نُؤَمِّنُ عَلَى دُعَائِكُمْ. We will ask Allah to fulfill your prayers, to answer your prayers. When you reach that connection to the Imam, that the Imam plays a central role in your life, the Imam will truly look after you. He will ensure that not only is he praying for you, but he asks Allah to give you the comfort and the wellness that you need. This is the relationship that we're supposed to have with our Imam. Let us work on that. Let us try and water this plant such that the Imam has a presence that is palpable, that is perceptible, that is evident and clear, because he will surely not abandon us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.